Okay, so today we are making something very exciting, as you can see in the title of the live stream. We will basically make Starfield. Of course, we will not make Starfield. That will take us like 50 years, not one live stream. We're gonna be just making a simple space game, right? Okay, so basically, I began a bit before the live stream. You know, what was that flickering? Okay. So as you can see, I already kind of begun. I don't know why that flickering happens, but basically I got this scene, which is a space skybox, alright? And I got my spaceship here, and I got a few planets, literally 3, which are just models, okay, nothing crazy. So if I press play, you can see we have this simple, you know, astronaut flying around. Right now it's just the mannequin, okay? But we're gonna replace it with the astronaut, okay? Well, really, we're gonna replace it for externally. You know, like if we have an NPC there, we'll do that. So you can see you can just fly around, nothing crazy. This spacecraft does have an interior, but it's very basic, okay? I literally just found this model in Sketchfab, plugged it into Unreal Engine, and put in some lights, okay? But nothing more. So the idea is kind of to make more than the Starfield system, which is that, you know, you enter the spacecraft, you can go inside, but it's not like a cockpit, I guess we would say. I'm gonna go more with the approach of Sea of Thieves. I don't know you have played the game, but basically you have, in the case of Sea of Thieves, your boat, and you can just, while it's going, you can just walk around in the inside, outside, whatever, and at any time just go to the steering wheel and just continue, go off, continue walking about the boat. Same concept, but with the ship. So, well, with the spacecraft or spaceship, however you wanna call it. I can like walk, but okay, you can see it is extremely buggy because of the, you know, collisions or whatever reason. It really bugs when I collide. Like you can see the flickering, that's when I'm colliding with the mesh. If I press G to go into land mode, as you can see, it also lags a lot, right? It's like really laggy. Okay, so let's add the red lights, illumination to the level. Well, to the level, not to the spacecraft. Let's put a bit more and put it like a bit orangey. Cool, so we have the lights back in. I can now delete this. And it should be exactly the same behavior, okay? The collisions are still broken, but it seems like it is like less broken, no? It's out of plane. And this will be our floor collider. It will be invisible, but yeah, that will be our floor. And then we should do another floor for that part there. Should be smaller. And then we should do a little ramp. Like this. I think that will be enough. So now if I go and disable the collision for this guy, now, yeah, now it's perfect. Let's fucking go. Look at that. Now it's perfect. See, now we just have to make that invisible, and it will seem that the thing is fixed, but it isn't. It's like fucking shit. But we can now walk. Look at this, man. 2,000 IQ. See? Now we just need to put walls because now we cannot just go out. Whoa! Also, I'm flying. Wait a second. Yeah. Walking walks perfectly too. This one, and let's do the walls. So like this. All right, so this will be the walls, right? One here. The other one here. Those are the walls for that part. Just take visible in the plane, bro. Yeah, but if I take invisible, I think the collisions will disable, right? Yeah, maybe I'm like stupid. Yeah, it works, right? Yeah. Okay, I thought I don't know why, but I thought because it will be hitting, it will disable the collision. But no, the collision's still there. There we go. That should be perfect. I mean, and then duplicate this. There we go. Okay, and that's that part, which, oh, we need to pull it way back. think this will be enough. Okay. My man is using 4,000 IQ. That's right, man. Look what I'm doing here. What the fuck am I doing here? Alright, let's get this one. Duplicate it. Put it at the start. And now we're good to go. We have our spaceship complete. We can now delete that invisible material. Alright, the sun. Why do I have a material with the sun? No. Where's my invisible material? Doesn't matter. Play. And I can walk and I cannot go outside. There we go. And also we have to disable the capsule, which I left it enabled. Good, I'm now happy. Because that was a big problem, because before I started the stream I was like, oh shit, you know, this is not gonna work, because you cannot work inside, and if we cannot walk inside, there's no point having a spacecraft, because I want this cool idea if you can, you know, walk inside and stuff. But hey, we fixed it. It took us what? Nearly 40 minutes, but it's okay. So what we need to do is that there's a point here where you go, which I'm gonna make it that it will be inside, which will have one collider, and you just go and interact. And this will basically just put you in command. It's basically just, you know, go inside. So if you are inside of this area and you press E, we just enter, you know. If hashtag player, that will mean that it is the player. So we can not forget to add collision for the ship outside. Yes, we will need to see that later and see how that works. Yeah, but I'm not gonna spend like another 40 minutes putting boxes outside. So possess should now be possessing self. So this pawn basically. If it does implement the interface, which is the BPI interact, that means that we are colliding with the spacecraft piloting part. If so, we will want to pilot, and then we will possess it. See, go inside. There we go. We are piloting the spacecraft. Of course, we don't see anything, but it's because we don't have any camera. Okay. Spring arm. Spring arm. Move it here. Okay. So with that said, my camera should be there. Okay, so we need to work on the camera perspective a bit. Okay, it's more pulled back so we can increase the arm length to the seat, kind of. There we go. Yeah, and we can put the field of view of the camera to, oh yeah, that looks better. Cool. That panel looks like shit. Look at that, it has like 12 pixels. Why is the pivot there? Like in, I don't understand. Let's now just create a third-person camera angle, which is not gonna be activated by default. So I'm gonna just duplicate these two things, and yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And this will not be auto-activated. You do a flip-flop, guys. Do a flip-flop. I don't recommend a lot of times doing flip-flops, but whatever. So just set active, and the other one false. This should work. Press E, press C, press C. There you go. Okay, so now we have to make the movement. Okay, so press W, go forwards. All right. Boom. Boom, boom. Move. Oh, look at this. I can move it. And there we go. Wow. I need to change the pivot. Might be moving, but it's very slow. I'm gonna add the reference here. Oh, there we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a cube here to see if I'm moving or not. Nah, guys, we're not moving. This shit doesn't work. No furula. And this will be the exit trigger. Yeah, in the back. And you know, you're in the pack and you press E, that's what happens. Now if I go outside, I cannot press E. Good. Alright. Oh, It's doing something. It's gonna be a game because it's not child static measure. Yeah. Okay, now it works. Alright. So now I can go out and I go to space mode, as you can see. We should have like a string attached. I can go into my drivable here, press E, and I go back to my player, see? And then I can go back to the end and exit. Let's fucking go. Yes, I know I'm... Wait, let the things load. I am shooting in space. There we go. I'm shooting in space and you can hear the audio. Yes, I know, that's completely wrong, but it doesn't matter. Okay, 5.5. So basically gonna make like a panel that says pilot, right, whatever, right? And then assign it. I'm working. Alright, so now I can just go here. There we go. You can see pilot appears and disappears. Let's put it a bit up. Don't worry about that. And just put it in extra trigger. Reset it. It will be possible to watch the stream offline. Yes, the stream will be available after the stream ends, so you can check it out later. Wait for this. Thank you so much. We appreciate that. I have some plans here, but they're empty. But I have the voxel plugin. Okay, so I will personally generate planets, and then we'll make that we can get to the atmosphere. Yes, but probably not in this live stream. They're basically squares. Like they are. Look at this blueprint. There is a cube. It's some walls, you know, and I'm inside this cube. There are some planets, as you can see, guys. We have some things here, but of course, the sun. I don't think you will need to land in the sun. We have one that is completely bugged, and then we have another like star, which is like blue. What is happening with this? So, don't worry, with the voxel plugin, we'll personally create some planets that we will land on. We'll see if we can actually land or we have to do some tricky things. We'll see, but... Okay, right now we got pretty cool stuff, you know, we can go... We are in space. On here, you know. We should do like a cable thing. Also, you cannot get back in. Let's do that. Alright, so let's put this. Okay, enter trigger. But oh, yeah, I enter, and of course I have to disable the thing. So space mode. I need to call it once again. This is what it is. Like here. It makes sense. It's like a vent. Great. So you're gonna go here and add the cable component. Let's put it at the end. Set attach end to. There we go. And I can attach it to an actor, and it will be the player. If I exit, I have the cable, and it's like bugging a lot. Oh, because it's teleporting. Look, look at this, guys. Yeah, I mean it's working. It's like very wobbly. It should be like super slow motion because of the gravity, right? Like, I don't know. Yeah, so it bugs out when you go out, but then it eventually catches up, and I can just go. And I can do my mission stuff, you know, extraction of things here. I don't know, a broken satellite, grab it, loot it. Like, it would be so cool to make this a survival game, right? And you live in this spacecraft, and you cannot. It's like your home. And you always go to explore planets and find this shipwrecks floating. You just go out with the rope, go back in, and then go and drive it. That would be so cool. I can see we have the cable, so let's make a control viewer inside. So inside, and let's add the progress bar. Let's put it like on the top here. If you guys think of a better color for oxygen, let me know. Add to viewport. You know, guys, remember, if you're enjoying the live stream, go ahead and drop a like. This really helped me out. I think this stream is turning out pretty cool. What you guys think? Blue. Okay, we'll do blue. Let's do blue. Let's do blue. What blue? Kinda this blue? Yeah, I think this blue too, right? Or you want darker or what? Yeah, blue. Okay. Good, there we go. You can see the oxygen meter. If I go out, it starts raining pretty damn fast. And if I enter, you can see it stops raining. Now it should basically fill up again slowly, right? There we go. That looks cool. So let's make a quick planet, my G's. Let's let's make a quick planet. Voxel World Dragon. There we go. Go here. Planet. Let's put our planet to be kind of there. Wow, it's big compared to, yo, it's big compared to this. And that, look at our planet. Now I can change using my own tutorials to help me in Unreal Engine. That's crazy. There we go. You can see the voxel planet. Now it's very low quality. Yes, don't worry. We'll figure something out. We'll change the mesh quality, but it's really cool. It's all procedurally generated. Let's put it more in this side so we can see it better. Oh shit. Wait, that didn't really do anything, right? Wait, that improved a lot. I mean, there's way more things to improve. Yo, guys, look at this. It's kind of, look, you can use the same kind of cable component maybe. Now, I'm gonna be ending this live stream here. We already, you know, did 2 hours and a half. I think we got a lot of content. We did so many stuff with our, you know, spacecraft, with going out with the cable. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Join my Discord server. You haven't already. And bye bye.